Good day, welcome back to the HMKT YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing two of the same models, same producer. They are both made from mini champs, but they are pretty different. So keep watching to know why. So at first glance, this is the cheaper one. This comes in this package and it costs, at the time of recording, $94.95. This is the cheaper one. As you can see, the paint is very well designed, so as you can expect from mini champs, limited edition as always. And if you can see it, the interior, it's black, and also the sunroof is pretty dark. And if we go to this one, as you can see, it's more light from the inside. And also, I think you already saw it here, there's some parts that can move. So we'll be showcasing them a little bit later. But this is the model. Look, the sunroof is a little bit brighter also, so you can see through it. It's really well detailed. And this one costs, I think it was around, yes, $169.95 at the time of recording. So also limited edition, 300 pieces you can expect, so they're pretty much the same. Only this one is a little bit better detailed and everything can open, because the front, the middle, all the doors and also in the back can be opened, as you can see from the tape here. So that's pretty nice feature, and they didn't lose quality for it, so that is something that's pretty amazing also. So, well, as you can see, you can open the doors and see the interior of the car. Look at the interior. Really well detailed. Also the clock, right? Let's see, there, as you have in the real one. The cockpit looks also pretty much the same as the real one. As you can see, the navigation is even on. Very well detailed. The seats also like the real one. You have the electronic seats, only in the scale model, as you can expect, it would not be used. So I've opened it. I had to put my nail on the side to open it. I'm using a pen to keep it open because it shuts down on itself, so that's a little bit bad, but oh well. Let's see if we can focus on it. As you can see, 4-liter V8 turbo, like the real one, so that's pretty nice. Also have the tank with the cooling stuff for your car, so it doesn't overheat. And what do we have over here? Let's see. Actually, I don't really know what this is supposed to be, so if you guys know in the comments, let me know. But everything on detail, it looks really nice detail wise. Really nice. Now we're gonna open the back. So if you use a Stanley knife, just like this one, to loosen it up, and then you got the tape here. We can pull it up with the tape. So let's look at this. Looks really well detailed, really like a real car shrunken down. Let's give it a feel. This feels like plastic. Seats are also a little bit plastic, they also move, which is pretty cool. And now we will be opening the side doors, but on the passenger seat back side. Go like this, then you loosen it up, and it's loose. Just grab the tape out, because if there's tape like in here in between the door, this part, it won't open. screw it in the tape. It's pretty easy to open. So, this is the inside of the car. The camera doesn't fit because it doesn't open that much, but this is the inside. Back side, passenger seat in the front. This car just looks really amazing. It's a really beautiful car, and I would personally pay a little bit more to have these options than this one, because this one's just like standard one. It's still a really nice Porsche Cayenne model. It's a Turbo S from 2017, this one also. But I would personally go for this one. So the conclusion is, we have the same model in two different specs. The cheaper one that nothing opens, a little bit expensiver, and everything opens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this comparison of the two diecast models from the same manufacturer, Mini Champs. Leave a like and subscribe. Share this content with someone that likes Porsches and that would like to see a review of this, or that maybe has this car in real life. So show this to him, maybe buy it and let them see that you have their car in miniature. It would be funny. If you buy a model from us, don't be afraid to send us a picture of it. Make sure you send it through social media, and who knows, maybe we'll repost your picture, or maybe we'll use it one day in a video. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye bye.